got to show off the love bug that we're building. This guy has got the coolest, wildest, small block Chevy love bug in the world. He said it's just got to go faster than the love bug, you know, like this one.
Bomb the thing off the road once and for all!
So I think we got that one beat. Come on, let's check it out. This is our love bug. This guy drove up from Florida, and it is a cool silver and blue. That's what I'm going to do with 50 Chevy, and you know, the one with the pre-spooler and the 76mm turbo. Kind of grab my color scheme, but this thing looks gorgeous. Check this out. Not only is the color scheme beautiful, but she's got a small black Chevy up front. Why not? We're going to need a medic. Just like every other car show on the planet, this thing will be done in 15 minutes. Customer's going to be here. Hurry up, get it done.